Hello.
Hello.
What is your name?
My name is Toot.
Toot? Huh. Do you have grandparents, Toot?
No.
Oh. You don't
But
want
happy Grandparents' Day.
to... That's nice. Do you have a friend? Where's your friend?
I know.
All right. Well, I think your friend is over here.
Yeah. Here she is.
Okay. Let's try over there. Hello, friend.
Hello.
What's your name?
I have no clue.
Oh, okay. Would you like to say anything to grandparents?
Happy Grandpa's Day.
Oh, that's nice. Uh-oh, are you about to sneeze?
Achoo! I think
Oh,
my name's the
bless
old lady with shaving cream.
Oh no. Start talking. Say hello.
Hello.
How are you, Mr. Chin?
Hello.
Hi. What's your name?
My name Dot.
Hi, Spot. Good to meet you.
Don't speak anything.